The Guardian. AP News. Trump news at a glance. President says Iran's Kharg Island demolished and threatens more strikes just for fun. The latest, U.S. is deploying Marines to Middle East as it pounds Iran. Today, March 13th. Here are major headlines from the United States today, March 15, 2026. 1. U.S. Iran conflict escalates. Donald Trump said U.S. strikes have demolished Iran's Kharg Island, a key oil export hub. The U.S. is also asking allies to help secure the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil shipping routes. The Guardian +1. The Pentagon is deploying about 2,500 Marines to the Middle East as tensions with Iran continue to rise. AP News. 2. Oil prices and global markets reacting. The war risk has pushed global oil prices above $100 per barrel, creating concerns about inflation and economic pressure worldwide. AP News. Economists say the U.S. economy was already slowing, with growth around 0.7% in late 2025. WSLS +1. 3. Political pressure before U.S. midterm elections. A new national poll shows Democrats leading Republicans by about 6 points in congressional voting preference. Many voters are unhappy with inflation, economic policies, and foreign policy decisions. The Daily Beast. 4. Severe weather warning across the U.S. Meteorologists warn that millions of Americans across more than 10 states face a risk of strong tornadoes and damaging storms. Areas from Texas to Michigan are under alerts for large hail, strong winds, and possible EF2 tornadoes. New York Post. 5. Immigration-related arrest in the U.S. U.S. immigration authorities arrested an Indian national accused of seriously injuring an American citizen in a truck crash. The Times of India. White heavy checkmark summary. Rising U.S. Iran war tensions. Oil prices and economic worries. Political pressure ahead of elections. Major tornado threat in several states. Immigration-related crime case.